lot of things going on at the Intel Developers Forum, but two of them include the new Edison module and their Galileo board. The Edison module consists of a 500 megahertz dual-core Atom, and it also packs on a 100 megahertz Quark. For the Atom processor, there's a gigabyte of DDR3 RAM, an E.MMC flash, and a 70-pin header that can be used for expansion. SparkFun has taken this to extremes and actually come up with a stackable set of blocks that work with the Edison module, which sits on top. Now, the nice thing about the Edison module is that it also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, so that's one of the things that you don't need in one of these blocks. But their starter pack actually consists of 4 modules, the Edison at the top, a USB interface module, so now you have access to the console, and a battery block, so now you have a mobile device. The GPIO block just expands out the information coming from the header, and it allows you to gain access to other peripherals if you need it. The nice thing about SparkFun's design is they have essentially open source hardware. That means that all the designs and all the information about each of the modules is available to you. So if you want to customize it, build your own, that's available to you. They have a variety of other blocks, like a dual H-bridge, PWM. There's even an OLED display module, and I expect other things eventually, like camera modules and things of that nature. One other nice thing, depending upon what you're doing, is an Arduino breakout board. This actually sticks the module off onto one side and gives you all the headers for Arduino expansion, so you can use your Arduino shields and pop them on as well. Now, the Galileo board is a 400 megahertz Quark, and that's built onto the board. It has 512 kbytes of SRAM. There's 8 megabytes of flash, so you can get a pretty big application into that, and has 11 kbytes of EEPROM. There's a micro USB socket, so you can add additional flash expansion if you need it. For I/O, other than the Arduino form factor that this board is and those expansion shields, you can also make use of the 100 megahertz Ethernet, USB 2.0, and a serial port. These are all over the place, all sorts of neat things going on. For example, the Edison module is being used in the connected wheelchair project. There are a number of other robots that have been shown at the show, and they were sort of walking around. It was really neat, so check them out.